So I was watching the news the other day, and there's a lot of things going on with the banks. There's a lot of Occupy Detroit, Occupy Columbia. Well, I need Claire to occupy the fridge with the pops. All flavors of pops. Pudding, vanilla, strawberry, pops. And then there's a lot of talk about the bank bailouts. Well, they need to bail me out with all the tuition money that I shelled out on the kids. Theo he's not putting in the funds to pay his tuition back. So I need a bailout. Obama, occupy my fridge and bail me out. Die!